Hello guys, today I will review this great chess game. Take notes and get ready. White starts with the classic queen's pawn opening. Black attacks the pawn, but for some reason the pawn pushes. He had a chance to capture the pawn with the black squared bishop. d7, an interesting move. He blunders the king, giving a chance to promote. It's obvious that white will promote to a queen. The knight pops his domain and spawns two pawns. Now the queen used fairy dust to turn into a knight and captures the g-pawn and transforms back. And white also decides to transform the black squared bishop to a queen, but the bishop resisted and took the king. But normally the ghost king took the bishop's soul. Black took a long time to realize he could take the free queen, but white also saw this and spawned a rook in the path so white can take the black queen. At this point he had to take a long time to make his move. Black spawned the king and popped his domain that spawns three queens because he's next to the wall. But the pawns got superpowers and took the queens, then crushed the king. The knight was about to move, but just wanted to exist as a pawn. The pawn taunted the queen, enraging the queen and transforms into a queen. The queen raged and took the queen and the rook. Black spawns Little Petey for a diarrhea knock-knock joke. The knight got motion sickness and exploded into three bishops because I said so. But the black bishops gave birth and turned into white knights. The c7 knight takes the rook. The pawn kept trying to move but was too lazy. So the pawns went on a vacation to the Monopoly board. White was about to move, but black slabs his hand and merges his pawns into a bishop. But the fuming queen instantly brutally took the bishop. Black started to resurrect the pieces back on the board. The knight took, then the knight, then the queens took everything and won. Get chess.com and start playing.